Hey everyone! You might have heard of the viral Chase Infinite Money glitch. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's break it down and see what's really going on. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer. This is not investment advice. Every case is different, and we are not licensed financial professionals. Online users claim that by exploiting a loophole in Chase Bank's systems, you can generate unlimited money. Here's how it supposedly works. You transfer money from one account to another, but due to a delay in processing, the funds appear in both accounts temporarily. If you withdraw or spend the money before the system corrects itself, you could end up with more money than you started with. But before you get too excited, let's talk about the reality. First off, banks have sophisticated systems in place to detect and correct these kinds of discrepancies. If you try to exploit this so-called glitch, the bank will likely notice suspicious transactions or an unusual pattern of transfers or withdrawals, and the account will be flagged for review. The bank can then reverse the transactions, leaving your account with a negative balance. You could also face overdraft fees, account suspensions, or even account closures. Secondly, attempting to exploit a banking system like this is illegal. It's considered fraud, and you could face serious legal consequences, including fines, permanent bans from banking services, and even criminal charges leading to jail time. Banks work closely with law enforcement to track down financial fraud, and digital transactions leave clear evidence that can be used in court. The Chase Infinite Money glitch is more myth than reality. While transaction delays are a real part of banking, they do not create free money. The bank will eventually correct the transaction and will leave you worse off.